birthday. I hope you have had a great week. Let's jump in. The month is January. I know that today is the 14th, which means that it is Clay's birthday. Happy birthday, Clay. Oh, I don't know where your cake keeps going. We'll put it right there. I hope that you're going to have the most wonderful day today. I know that it is January 14th, 2021. January 14th, 2021. I know that today is Thursday, so if today is Thursday, I can hop back to yesterday. And yesterday was Wednesday. If yesterday was Wednesday and today is Thursday, tomorrow will be Friday. Yesterday we had been at school 61 days. 61 plus 1 more is 6 tens and 2 ones, which means 62 days of school. I'm going to go 25, 50, 60, 61, 62. All right, let's make sure that we know our words. Against, once, sure, always, used, pull. All right, today we're going to go in between 10 and 20. What is in between 10 and 20? Did you say 15? Because you're absolutely right. All right, let's make a time today. I'm going to take the hour hand and put it on the 9. Actually, I'm going to put it just past the 9. And I'm going to pull our minute hand to the 5. All right, first, we look at our hour hand and we go back. Okay, we got to look at where it came from. So it just came from the 9. And then we count around by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. It is 9:25. Good work. Make sure all of your work gets turned in.